Now, ahead of the monsoon session of the Parliament, the government has called for an all-party meeting which is going to be held on Sunday, the 21st of July. The government has convened that all-party meeting to deliberate on a host of issues related to the Parliament's monsoon session. So an all-party meeting that's been called by the Prime Minister. We are expecting, this is the government that's called for that all-party meeting, and all of them are expected to be at that meeting which is going to be held on the 21st of July. That's coming Sunday. The government has convened that all-party meeting to deliberate on a host of issues related to the Parliament's monsoon session. We have my colleague Vasudha joining us. Vasudha, this is a customary get-together on the eve of the session start as various parties put across their issues.
Absolutely, Divya. This is an important meeting, of course, because it comes after this very stormy session, first session of the Parliament that we saw, the start of the 18th Lok Sabha. And we did see not just the appointment of Rahul Gandhi as the LOP, but we also saw two fiery speeches by the Prime Minister. We also saw opposition take out this protest, and we also saw Speaker Om Birla being reinstated, re-elected as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. So this is clearly a resized, resurgent opposition. So the budget session is going to be all the more exciting, and sort of like, it is going to see a lot of debate, is my understanding, which is why this all-party meeting that is coming just before the budget session becomes all the more important. It has been convened by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju. It will have senior ministers in attendance. It will also have opposition party leaders, floor leaders of different parties, and also people from TDP, JDU, NDA constituents, and also India allies. And it will be interesting to see how the Parliament strategy sort of like, works out, because last time when Rahul Gandhi spoke as the LOP of the India Alliance, we did hear that a lot of parties, at least two of them, were not really very happy with the constant disruption that we saw during the Prime Minister's speech, for over 2 hours. So clearly, there is a lot of thinking that will also happen, and the opposition has a lot of agenda. It has been asking for the Prime Minister to speak on need, which already the Prime Minister has done in his speeches. So there'll be a lot of demands from the from the opposition side as well. There's been a security, there's been an encounter today as well in which we've lost an officer and also other lives. So clearly, some of these issues are going to be contentious. Apart from the NEET row that continues to escalate, the opposition is going to pick on some of these issues, which is why this all-party meeting becomes important, and it will be attended by senior ministers, also opposition leaders, is my understanding. It's taking place on Sunday.